Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete someone on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. And once it's launched, go to the Friends tab on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. And now go to Leaderboard. And under the Friends tab, you first need to find the person you want to remove. For example, let's say I want to remove this person called Derek. So I just have to click on Derek, like so, and you will see an option called Remove. Click on it. So as you can see, it asks you, do you want to remove this person as a friend? Click on Remove again, and the person will be deleted from your Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials.